Hey guys, here's a bit mess over the place. Just finished a very short workout. I thought I'd share some things that may help you if you have a busy life. So if you're one of those people who basically got very little time to exercise, maybe once a week if you're lucky, like me. So as an everyday dad, these are my kids. Say hi. With kids, doing a consulting gig, building my online training business, as well as family life. It's pretty much got no time to kind of invest in a lot of exercise. So what I'm sharing for you is from that perspective. So I'm not a bodybuilder. I don't have huge muscles. I can just burst the shirt with my pecs by flexing. So I'm sharing for those of you who are just like me, super busy, no time to exercise. I'm sharing with you how you can actually maximize your impact. So I've always grown up fat. My nickname when I was young was Fatso, or Fat they call it. So my son is having a laugh at my nickname because I was the fattest kid. When it comes to picking people for sport, no one will ever pick me because I was just super fat. But after learning what I learned and experimenting, I managed to shed 17 kilos of weight, get my body fat percentage to around 11%, working only once or twice a week, about 30 minutes each workout session, 30 to 40 minutes each workout session. So what I'm sharing with you is how I can lose all that weight, working out once a week, and some of the principles I've learned along the journey. So today I want to share with you just something I thought was maybe old-fashioned, old school, and maybe you never thought could be used this way. Basically short cords or rubber bands. So you see this in a lot of training, but the principle that this brings, and this is something to keep in mind, learning principles allow you to increase your repertoire of techniques. Whereas if you focus on a particular instrument or like the band, what happens is you become fixated on just a single thing. Yeah, and what that means is you can't adapt. When new things come along our way, we need to adapt to basically achieve our goal. We can learn and grow if we take a principle-based approach. So rubber band is just a tool. I could have easily done this with short cords, for tying marine products down or nettings. In the old days, what my master used to do is using bamboo. The principle is the same, instability. Now, when you lift bars and weights on the machine, it's fixed. So it's only got a certain angle of movement that you can move. There's no instability. The way you increase your return on investment for amount of time that, let's say for every 5 minutes you invest, how can you get maximum out of that 5 minutes? By using instability, because what happens is you're activating not just the big muscles, but all the stabilizing muscles. And what that prevents is injuries. It's the stabilizing muscles that keep your joints, keep your body in place. And this is what I learned from martial arts. They focus in a lot on holistic health. The stabilizers are key, but when you combine those stabilizing muscles with your big muscle movement, you increase the amount of calories burned per minute compared to just doing fixed exercise. And pretty much any kind of bodybuilder or trainer will know this. Barbell instability weight is more effective than a machine. The machine thing is good for rehabilitation. If you got an injury, you want to protect yourself. But for long-term durability and functional strength, you do want to use something that introduces a bit of instability. And the beauty, and I'm gonna set this up here, for these is when you stretch, basically see how that moves? See how that moves? That's instability. So rather than a fixed thing, it's unstable, and that mimics life, because when you pick things up, it's not fixed. We don't go around in life picking up barbells and working on machine. We pick up our kids, we pick up objects. They're not fixed, linear in a certain path. It's fixed and flexible. When you use bands like this, the Only limit is your imagination, what you can use this to achieve. So for me, rather than getting barbell lift, I can do this. You probably can't see this, I'll show you. So I step, see that? Step on there. Then I just grab this and simulate a lift, right? I can do squats. This is probably a little bit strong for a squat, for barbell lift. I can do squats, right? And the best part of this thing can fit in your bag, your luggage. You can take it with you. You can't carry your barbell with you. So I'm probably not using the right terms in terms of that press, but you know what I'm talking about. I think clean and jerk. So you can tell I'm not a bodybuilder. I'm a martial art instructor, and this is old school. So sharing with you my experience. So look, these things are cheap. Get them out Amazon. You can try it, and guess what? You'll get something out of it as long as you use it. So I hope you find it useful. So I'm keen kind of to share more and more of what I learned along the journey. So hopefully help people like me, the everyday dad, busy professional leaders who are looking to maximize their output to get most out of their exercise. And I hope you find this useful. All right, guys, this is Stephen Kerr from Executive Warrior Academy, signing out. Today's Exact Warrior Moment. Catch you later. Bye.